Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can turn on the automatic deletion on the Google Gemini. So if you want to protect your privacy by turn on the automatic activity deletions, this is what you are going to do. First, you can open the Google Gemini first, and then after that, after you open it, you can go to this activities in here, and here you can see this is your Gemini apps activity. You can see the history of your activity at the bottom. And after that, if you want to turn on the auto delete options, here you can see there is this option deleting activity, and here you can click on this to see the option. You can choose an auto delete option for your Gemini apps activity. Here you can click on this auto delete activity older than, and here you can choose the times. For example, I'm going to go with 3 months. So after 3 months, all of my activities will be automatically deleted. After that, you can click on next. Here you can confirm your preference to auto delete activity older than 3 months. If you're sure, you can click on confirm. And after that, the preference has saved, and the automatic deletion or automatic delete will be turned on. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks.